Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another special unboxing to do today. I do believe this is going to be an Amazon Prime for unboxing, so check them out. Link is going to be down below. And check them out on their social media feeds. So, definitely excited to show you guys this one. Really cool people on social media to talk to also. Here we go, guys. Brand new. Just coming out. Holy moly. Alrighty. Jackpot. We got some munchies goodies. This is coming from, I do believe, Mad Science. Or Kids Mania. Mad Science Mini Chews. Blue Raspberry. Chewy Nuggets. Sweet Bandit. Here's all the good stuff in the back. Product name, Mad Science Mini Chews. Fish. Oh, can't wait to try these. And these are now, and it kind of looks like a turtle. Kind of like Donatello. Getaway, Galaxy Rocks, Blue Raspberry. Candy so fun, it's on the run. Alright. Chunky, chewy gum nuggets, perfect for blowing bubbles while planning your escape. I'm all out of bubblegum. Oh, look at these little guys. Licky loot. Oh boy, what is this? Lollipop. I got that one. Then that's grape. We got watermelon. I'll open one of them in a second. Let me show you the flavors. Blue Raz. And strawberry. Lollipop. Lolly. So, alright, let's see. Any, mini, mighty, mo. Shake. Put that guy right there. Kind of curious how these little guys taste. Really cool though. It's like a scientific lab experiment that these look like. You could go have some fun with your kitties. Oh, jeez. Everything pops up. Oh. Oh, they taste really good. I know my table's clean. I'm trying to think of what it reminds me of. They're good though. They're chewy and soft. I'm trying to think of those yeah. Heck yeah. These are really good. These would be nice little stocking stuffers to put in your kids' stockings this year. Something different, something new. It tastes really good too. Oh, let me escape. There we go. Can't. Now here is the bubble gum. Gotta peel and pull. Oh. Oh. These are shaped a little bit bigger. Not as soft. Yeah, these are good too. I just can't think of it right now. Those like taffy ropes. I can't remember what they're called now. And here it is. I bet you this is gonna taste good. You can definitely tell the flavor. It has a nice taste to it. I'll try that one. Eee. Oh. Ah. Kind of looks like a butterfly knife. There you go. Ooh. Ooh. Dude, these are really good. Guarantee you're gonna buy more than one. The watermelon is really nice, or strawberry tastes amazing. Alright, amazing job, guys, on, I think it's Kids Mania. But I'll leave the link down below for you guys to check them out. And also on their social media feeds, I'll leave the link. And I'll be posting on Instagram in a second. So really cool. Like I said, perfect for stocking stuffers to give to your kids this year. And hopefully you guys are having a good holiday coming up. And be safe. Have a good weekend. See you soon.